It's okay.
Okay, take a deep breath. Come on now. Just don't close the leg.
Okay.
Hold on. Hold on. Okay, done. Okay?
Okay. Oh my god.
Breath, let it out. Are you going on vacation or something?
Yeah. I am.
Okay, take a deep breath. Let it out.
How long does this take?
Huh?
How long does this take?
To finish?
Yeah.
15, about 15 minutes.
15 minutes? My legs are shaking.
No.
Sorry.
That's okay, don't be sorry. You're fine. Okay, but out. See? It's almost everything here.
Oh, like a carpet.
I know. Okay, now with your hands, just open up here. Take a deep breath. Just stretch it out. Okay, now just keep stretching.
Okay.
This is gonna be only really a butt chop, okay? Just that you have a little bit here. This is gonna be the last one, okay? And now you have to use now a serum, okay? Just to avoid the ingrown hairs. Okay, now put both legs together.
Okay.
Put the dress top. I'm gonna do the butt strip.
Oh,
Okay?
God.
And some hair is still very tiny because it's shaving.
Oh, okay.
But you're pretty clean, okay?
Okay.
And try not to shave in between, okay? You should come back in 4 weeks and it's gonna be much easier, right?
Easier, yeah.
First time is you haven't never done even wax, right?
Never.
Have you waxed before? No, right?
No.
Yeah. So that's why it's a lot to take first time.
Oh, yay.
Listen, this is the ingrown hair serum, okay? You
Okay.
get, of course, it's smaller.
Okay. So, Ma, what did you say when I came out?
You plate to do it, huh?
What did you say when I came out?
What happened?
No, you ain't say that. You said a lot more than that. Yeah. You said a lot more. Yo, she just embarrassed me when I walked out.
I just wanted to know what was down there. It took the lady a whole hour.
No,
Took-
it did not.
took me 2 minutes.
That's horrible. It felt like 15 minutes. Like she said, I asked her how long it takes. She said 15 minutes.
She must take her time.
She was going back to certain places over and over again. I think that's why I'm like kind of hurting, but
Yeah, that's why you hurt.
but you gotta remember your hair is thin. I got thick hair.
That's what I know.
I have thick hair. She was out. I didn't even hear her. I thought I was gonna hear you screaming.
Because she was talking to me and I couldn't even scream because while she talked to me, I wasn't even thinking about it. I was just like, out.
I was like,
You screamed out loud?
no. I tried my best. And how you feel, Ma? How you feel?
I feel like a star.
You feel like a star.
Mm-hmm.
She said she felt like she could fly, y'all.
My kitty pretty right now.
All right. Goodbye.